a week in the heart of Turkey. "Grandfather Karim," shouted Daphne, running to meet him at the train station. "I'm here to see Ankara." Karim smiled. "Welcome, my dear Daphne. You have come to the heart of Turkey. Ankara is not just the capital. It is a city of history, charm, and unexpected beauty." Their first stop was a place of great respect, Anıtkabir, the magnificent mausoleum of Ataturk, the founder of the Turkish Republic. "This massive structure reminds us of how important this city is," Karim whispered. Daphne looked up at the towering columns, feeling the silence and the scale. Next, they climbed the ancient stone walls of Ankara Castle, Ankara Kalesi. From the top, the whole city spread out like a map. "Look, Karim, modern skyscrapers next to old neighborhoods." Daphne pointed. "Yes," Karim replied. "That mix is what makes Ankara special. It has been a crossroads for centuries." To understand those centuries, they visited the Museum of Anatolian Civilizations. Daphne was amazed by the artifacts from ancient cultures like the Hittites and Phrygians. "Imagine people living here 4,000 years ago," she exclaimed, staring at a small gold figurine. After history, they needed nature. They drove to the edge of the city, to Amir Lake. The water was calm, reflecting the trees and the bright blue sky. They sat on a bench and watched people cycling and rowing. "Even a bustling capital city needs a peaceful spot to breathe," Karim noted. "Did you know Ankara has famous furry residents?" Karim asked later as they walked through a park full of beautiful flowers. He told Daphne about the famous Angora goat, which gives incredibly soft wool, called tiftik. Daphne imagined a fluffy white goat with long hair roaming the hills. For a taste of local life, they wandered down Yokusu, the historic street of traders. The air smelled of spices and Turkish coffee. Karim bought them 2 glasses of strong, sweet Turkish tea. "The best way to feel the pulse of the city is to sip tea right here," he smiled. As the sun began to set, they saw a modern masterpiece of architecture, Kocatepe Mosque. Its massive domes and 4 towering minarets glowed in the evening light. Daphne gasped at its size and beauty. "It is one of the largest mosques here, a symbol of modern Ankara's scale and faith," Karim explained. Over dinner, Daphne tried to list everything she had learned. Anıtkabir, the castle, ancient history, beautiful lakes, fluffy goats, and very strong tea. Karim nodded. "Remember, Ankara is also the heart of the government and home to millions. It truly connects Turkey's past and future." As Daphne waved goodbye, she hugged Karim tightly. She had come expecting only government buildings, but she found a city rich in natural parks, history spanning millennia, and warm, welcoming people. She couldn't wait to return to the beautiful, busy heart of Turkey.